Previous versions of HTML also allows you to align the text, but it is not a good practice. We'll learn how to align text using CSS. At first you can get something like a line. Okay, you get a line. Now we are not allowed to use, previously it allows you to align either to the left or to the right. So you just write the alignment, you bring an equal to, then you bring the inverted commas, you just write left. Okay, let me see if it works. Let me see if it works. Now it is not a very good practice to be doing. Now it worked. You can see that my image has come to the left. Okay, I'll try to align this one to the right, even though it's a very bad practice. We will learn how to align text using CSS. So no one should be doing this on his website. I'm just using it to explain how HTML has moved. Okay, how it has moved. So let me just write align right. Let me just save this one and refresh it. You can see the image has been aligned to the right, but we will learn how to align properly. This is a very bad way of doing it. Okay, that is if you want to arrange images horizontally. Okay, there's a way of also arranging images vertically. Okay, in arranging images vertically, which is also an outmoded practice, you can just, instead of right, you can just say middle. No, let me just, yes, you can just say middle. So middle, and then let me choose top or bottom for the first one. Let me just use top. Let me save and then refresh. You learn how to align them properly. You see, now it has been arranged vertically. You can even do bottom, but when you're arranging it horizontally, it is right and left, but vertically it is top, middle and bottom. We will go into the details of how to align images using CSS when we get to our CSS lessons.